just have come undone. They say they'll give you whatever you want, and I'll be waiting in the shadow of the sun. Seizing time where no one's been before. Close the curtains, what you're waiting for. And I'll be keeping secrets till I'm in the ground. I'm in the shadow of the sun, where I belong. There's something coming on. I'm in the shadow of the sun. Oh, and I need you. I'm in the shadow of the sun, where I belong. There's something coming on. No more waiting, times are changing, and there's something coming on.
Cloud Devfest Bandung 2024.
Seperti itulah musik yang kami tahu. Jadi kalau teman-teman cari di YouTube, ada banyak sekali musik-musik modelan budaya ini.
Terkait SOP perusahaan, nah itu bisa di-handle oleh aplikasi yang sudah kita buat.
Padahal lagi masih interview tuh sama perusahaan-perusahaan consultancy. Tapi then I decide, seru banget kerjain startup, building businesses, kayak do all the crazy.
Now we're seeing what's behind the light, and I'll be waiting in the shadow of the sun, finding treasure that's been on the mice, building mountains in the skies.
Oh iya, itu ciptaannya si A, ya kan? Kalau orang bikin suara, bikin lagu, oh itu aransemennya si B. Nah kalau A yang bikin, gimana caranya?
Where I belong, there's something coming on. I'm in the shadow of the sun. Oh, and I need you. I'm in the shadow of the sun. Where I belong, there's something coming on. No more waiting, times are changing, and there's something coming
Racing through the desperation we have seen, I would do it all again. We could play it safe and we could take it slow. I'll find out where the circle ends. 'Cause we're the
Cloud Devfest Bandung 2024.
Cloud Devfest Bandung 2024.